In today's video, you will get a close-up view of the mouth as I start a dental cleaning. I'm using an ultrasonic scaler, which is very similar to a regular scaler, but this one has water coming out of it. It is known as a piezo or a cavitron, depending on the vibrations. This device combines both ultrasonic vibrations and high-pressurized water to get rid of tartar, plaque, and stains. So, as I mentioned, I use this ultrasonic scaler on nearly every patient. Depending on the amount of accumulation, I'll adjust the setting, low for slight buildup and high for heavy plaque and tartar, especially for SRPs and deep cleanings. After that's done, I go back and clean all the surfaces using the hand instruments. Different tools are used for the front and back teeth, namely anterior and posterior. Subsequently, I go through all the teeth once more, using hand scalers to make sure all the surfaces are thoroughly and properly cleaned. That is the basis of the task. You can see me here using the posterior instruments, which are usually curved, whereas the anterior instruments are not as curved. Additionally, I am here using a scaler, which is pointier than curettes. Throughout the procedure, we rinse, suction, and eventually polish. There is also an air polisher that sounds like ASMR, which is like baking soda. In this video, I will explain why we polish teeth and the distinction between plaque and tartar, which a lot of people don't know is different. It was not easy to capture the close-up of the mouth during a dental cleaning, but we worked hard on it. Finally, we usually finish off a cleaning by flossing.